So before we start and see how this automation can be created, come let me show you a magic. Whenever I'm going to enter the topic, mean subject, image purpose, style and the ratio, instantly in real time the image will be generated and the image URL will be added right over here. Until then, you know what I am going to do? I am just going to sit back and relax and see this procedure happening in background. What is going to happen is all of these details will be sent towards my workflow. Gemini is going to generate the image using these details and that same image URL is going to be added over here. So yes, you can see the image URL is added. So let's check it out, and as you can see that this is the image which is generated and it is so accurate related to the details which I mentioned. So in this video I'll show you how you can also create this amazing automation yourself and generate AI images for free. So to do this, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can generate up to 100 of images for free, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you which is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now we are on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for Google Sheets and select it. For the event, we have to select it as new or updated spreadsheet row and click on this connect. We have received this webhook URL, so just copy this webhook URL and open your Google Sheets. Now what you have to do is go on this extensions, add-ons, and then go towards this get add-ons. And once you are on this get add-ons, you have to add an extension which is named Pabbly Connect webhooks. So once this is going to open, go on the search apps and search for Pabbly Connect webhooks and then simply select it. Now you have to install this extension from here. As you can see, I have already installed it. Now what you have to do is you have to simply refresh your spreadsheet in order to get the option of this Pabbly Connect webhooks in this extensions tab. It is very important that you refresh your spreadsheet, otherwise you'll not be able to get this option. So once you get this option of this Pabbly Connect webhooks, go on this option and then towards this initial setup. Once you come on this initial setup, it is asking for the webhook URL and the trigger column. So simply paste the URL which you copied from the workflow and enter the trigger column over here. After you enter the URL and the trigger column, you can move on further and click on this submit. But what is this trigger column? So the trigger column will be your final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row will be sent towards your webhook URL. So for me, the trigger column is E because on the F I want to add the image URL, until E I want to send the details towards my workflow. Same goes for the U. This trigger column will be according to your own spreadsheet. After entering the webhook URL and the trigger column, click on this submit. Once you click on this submit, it is saying setup configured successfully. So this means that it has created the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, but now it is still saying waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture this webhook response, just click on this send test. And now once you click on this send test, it is saying test data sent successfully. So it is saying that it has sent this data, which is the first row, towards your workflow, and you're going to see that Pabbly has successfully captured the response for the same right over here, be it the topic, style, trigger column, row index, mean subject, image purpose, or the ratio. All the details are captured, and using these details we're going to generate the image. But first let's just delete whatever is over here already because we're going to start from scrap. Okay, so now we have captured the response, and now using Gemini we're going to generate the image. So for that, click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for Gemini, which is Google AI Studio. For the event, select it as generate and edit image nano banana and click on this connect. Now if you already created a connection between Gemini and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection, and it is asking for the API key. So to get this API key, open your Google AI Studio. Once you open your Google AI Studio, from the left hand of the side, you have to go towards this Get API Key section. Once you come on this Get API Key section, you have to click on this Create API Key. Name your key, select the project, and click on this Create Key button, and your key name, something like this, will be created. Just copy the key and paste it right over here in your workflow like I have done. Now click on the Save, and your Google AI Studio, which is Gemini, will be connected with Pabbly Connect. After creating this connection, what you have to do, you just have to select the model over here. So make sure to select the model as Nano Banana Pro, or Nano Banana 2. It totally depends upon you. I am going to select it as Nano Banana 2 over here. For the method, it is very important that you select it as generate content. Now for the prompt, let's enter the prompt. So this is the prompt which says create a visually stunning high quality AI image, the concept. So we're going to map the concept, then the subject, then let's move on further, and then the image purpose. So like this, we're going to map the details over here, using which it is going to generate me the details. Okay, but before entering these details, I'll just let you know that we are not going to enter the details manually by typing it, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering, what is mapping? So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So that's the reason we do mapping, so that our workflow can run in real time. So how are we going to map these details? Put a slash, search for the detail, and map it like this. So easy, right? So for the image purpose, I'm just going to map the image purpose right over here, which is this image is designed for. Put a slash, search for the image purpose, and map it right over here. And now for the style, put a slash, search for the style, map the style. Same goes for the ratio. So now I've entered this prompt according to my own choice. You have to enter this according to your own choice and needs. After entering this, just move on further. It is saying upload file URL and image URL. So if you want, you can definitely enter this, but both of these are not required, so you can just click on the save and send test request. And if you want this prompt, the workflow URL is attached in the description box below. You can copy and paste my prompt from there. You just have to change this mapping details. So I'm running a digital marketing agency, and we regularly generate the thumbnails, website banners, ad creatives, and much more. For that only, I'm going to create the automation. So I have entered the prompt according to that. You have to enter the prompt according to your business needs or your own particular needs. And once you're going to enter this prompt and click on the save and send test request, it is going to generate you this file URL. So just copy this and open it in a new tab. Let's check the image which it has generated. Yes, it looks fine. So let's just add it in our Google Sheets. So close this, and what you have to do is you have to click on this add new action step. For the action application, select Google Sheets once again. This time for the event, you have to select it as update cell value and click on this connect. Now if you already created a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, then click on the select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then sign in with Google. Now you have to select the Gmail account with the help of which you want to build this connection. After you select the Gmail account, Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions. So click on this allow, give Pabbly all the permissions. Because your data is 100% safe with us, no need to worry. Now Google Sheets is connected with Pabbly Connect. So we have to select the spreadsheet and the sheet in which we want to add the image. Now for the range, over here let's just open our Google Sheets, and over here I have to enter the image URL, which is the Gemini generated image right over here in F2. So okay, I'm just going to enter F2 over here, but right now it is F2, but with every new response it is going to change. It will be F3, F4, F5, F6, F7 and so on. But you will notice that F is constant, only the row is going to change. F is static, but we're going to map the row index. So put a slash, search for the row index and map the row index. So this F is constant, but row is going to change. That's why we mapped this row. Okay, now for the value, put a slash and map the file URL which Gemini generated and click on this save and send test request. So easy, right? Once you're going to click on this save and send test request, we have received the positive response that we have added this in our Google Sheets. So let's open our Google Sheets, and yes, the image URL is added right over here. Not only this, now you have to make sure that you go on this extensions, Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and make sure that this button is switched on, which is sent on event. It is very important, because if this button is switched on, whenever a new event is going to occur in your spreadsheet, the details will be sent towards your workflow. Gemini is going to generate you the image, and further you're going to add the image URL back again in your Google Sheets. So in order to run this workflow in real time, this button is very important to be switched on. You just have to click on this and it will be switched on. Now go and try this amazing automation yourself, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. While trying, if you have any doubts or questions, you can drop them in the comment section below. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you want more automation tips and tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.